Today's video is a game changer for anyone looking to dive into the world of online business. I've got the inside scoop on a niche that's raking in serious profits, Tumbler artwork. Now, I'll be breaking down the blueprint for a shop that can go from zero to over $280,000 in profit in less than a year. Artwork niche ticks all the boxes. It sells well on Etsy, the cheapest and easiest platform among the ones I've tried. You can sell it as digital or physical using print on demand, and AI automates the design process, saving you from making each one by hand. Check out Tara Sparks' shop to see the results. They sell tumbler wraps for personal or commercial use. Since opening on September 6, 2022, they've averaged 243 sales a day, with prices ranging from $2.97 to $7. That translates to $800 to $2,000 profit daily, and they've made $94,000 in sales in less than a year. Another shop priced at $1.80 has over 15,000 sales in the last 30 days. It's proof that this isn't just a side hustle. It could be your full-time income. These shops leverage AI for designs, making the process efficient. You can use Allura to explore more shops and focus on creating quality designs. Let me break down how I make the most out of Mid-Journey, a nifty text-to-image AI to curate top-notch designs tailor-made for tumblers. Yes, it comes with a subscription fee, but the results are worth it. I'll guide you through the steps of generating high-quality images, creating wraparound designs, and effortlessly queuing a plethora of images without the need for hands-on input. I'll skip the nitty-gritty of signing up. Just use Discord. If you want a detailed guide on how I use Mid-Journey, leave a comment down below to let me know. In the text field, type /imagine and hit enter. This signals the AI to whip up images based on your input. Let's say you're keen on replicating a successful design featuring a spooky jack-o'-lantern in a magical glowing forest with a bright radiant moon. Throw in a dash of Halloween vibe. To ensure the image fits your tumbler, tack on --AR and specify the dimensions like 128:69. Once generated, you'll have a set of 4 impressive images. If any catch your eye, utilize the controls below to upscale or enlarge them for a more detailed look. While the generated images are already quite impressive and surpass what I could manually create, Mid-Journey takes it a step further. It enables the creation of designs that smoothly blend at the back of cylindrical-style tumblers. Achieving this is a breeze. Reuse the previous prompts and add --tile to the end. This transforms the design into a pattern graphic, ensuring a fluid appearance without distinct borders when printed correctly. Employ the controls to upscale and meticulously verify the quality before weaving it into your promotional endeavors. This process significantly amplifies the allure of your designs for potential customers. Taking this seriously, typing out each prompt eats up a lot of time. Here's a quick way to queue up multiple designs using just one prompt. Let's stick with the Halloween theme for our niche and use the same prompt as a template. Now check it out. We've got a jack-o'-lantern as our subject. To spice things up, I can swap it out for different characters using curly brackets. For instance, a cute ghost, a black cat, and a spider. Just separate them with commas. Running this generates a scene with a ghost, a cat, and a spider. Want to switch up the vibe? No problem. Instead of a magical glowing forest, let's go with a graveyard village and a swamp. Now, we're looking at 9 images, each featuring the cat in a graveyard village and a swamp, along with the other characters. It's way faster than manually typing each prompt. Hit submit and it generates all those prompts. Remember, each prompt gives you 4 images, so you end up with a ton of visuals from just one prompt. Note, there are restrictions. I can only do 10 combinations. Still, it's the quickest way. Once the images are done, it's the same process as before. Easy peasy. These images are solid, but there's more to it. Using the same prompt, we can pick the style we want. Hand-drawn doodle, watercolor art, stained glass style, oil paint style, contemporary art, abstract art, realism, or throw in a --Niji for an anime touch. You can even go for modern art, pop art, or low-res pixel art. The options are endless. Important note, not everything Mid-Journey churns out is sellable. Only the good designs make the cut. Sometimes the AI slips up, no biggie. Fixing errors is a breeze with a free tool called Photopea, a Photoshop alternative. Drag in the image, select the healing tool on the left, adjust the brush size, and click on any deformity or weird graphical glitch. Photopea does its best to fix it. You can do this as much or as little as needed. Once you're done, save it as a completed design on your computer. Easy fix. Selling the designs is surprisingly easy if you know the right way. Get yourself an Etsy shop, they pull in loads of visitors, giving you free traffic. Now, if you're dropshipping both physical tumblers and digital downloads, add Printify to the mix. It's my go-to print-on-demand company with various Tumbler options. Since you're creating the designs, why not put them on physical products too? Upload your artwork directly to your chosen Tumbler using Printify. It syncs seamlessly with Etsy, allowing you to publish it straight to your shop. Printify works like digital downloads. When someone orders, they send the artwork to the print facility, and it's printed and shipped to your customer's door. This method has filled my pockets for the past few years. Selling physical products is just as effective, and if you're into this business model, you're already making the designs. Now, whether or not you use Printify for tumblers, the first step in a listing is getting a mock-up. It's what your customer sees and seals the deal. Templates are everywhere: Etsy, Canva, Raw Pixel, or Creative Market. I'm using one from FreePic in Photoshop format. To edit, I'll use Photopea. Find the smart objects on the right, double-click to edit, and drag in the Mid-Journey image. Make it fit, and there you have your listing image for the Tumbler wrap. It might sound like a lot, but it's not complicated. The last step is grabbing the listing details, title and tags that put your product in front of interested customers. Search for a similar product in your niche, let's say a Halloween Tumbler wrap. Choose a top organic listing, scroll down for the tags. Using Allura, I copy these tags and paste them into my listing. For the title, don't copy-paste theirs. Use their main keywords and tweak some with your own. Keep it simple and you're good to go. Growing a business isn't easy, it takes time and effort. The shops we saw today did it fast because they worked hard. If you want the same results, be ready to hustle just as much. Make top-notch listings like they did. Hope this video helped. Drop your questions below. Make sure to check out the next video. See you there.